Hi everyone and welcome back to another thought-provoking episode of Let's Talk About It with Kumaring Pam. Today we're diving into a deeply personal and emotional question. Would you rather sacrifice your dreams for your family or ask your family to sacrifice for your dreams? This isn't an easy question, and it challenges us to think about what truly matters in our lives, our ambitions, or our relationships. But don't worry, we're here to explore this together. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's talk about it. And before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and click that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Let's Talk About It with Kumaring Pam. Let's face it, life is full of tough decisions, and this question is one of the toughest. On one hand, sacrificing your dreams for your family is often seen as an act of love and responsibility. Parents give up career opportunities to raise their children. Children set aside their own desires to care for their aging parents. This choice can bring fulfillment, but it can also leave a lingering feeling of what if. On the other hand, asking your family to sacrifice for your dreams might seem selfish to some, but it's also about believing in yourself and the greater good that can come from pursuing your goals. When you achieve something big, it can uplift not just you, but your entire family. But the process isn't easy. It requires tough conversations, mutual understanding, and trust. Think about this. How many stories have we heard of people who gave up everything for their families, only to look back and wonder if they made the right choice? And what about those who followed their dreams and felt the weight of guilt for the sacrifices their families made? The truth is, both paths require sacrifice, and neither is entirely right or wrong. What matters is how you approach the decision and how you navigate the journey. So here are the valuable lessons that we can learn from this. Number 1, clarity of purpose. Ask yourself, why do you want to pursue this dream? Is it just for yourself, or can it benefit your family in the long run? Understanding your why can help guide your decision. Number 2, family as partners. Instead of thinking of this as a me versus them situation, involve your family in your decision. Make them part of the journey. You might find unexpected support and understanding. Number 3, it's okay to adjust. Life isn't static. If you choose to prioritize family now, it doesn't mean your dreams are gone forever. And if you pursue your dreams, you can always find ways to reconnect and give back to your family. So, what's the takeaway here? Life is about balance and choices. Whether you choose to sacrifice your dreams for your family or ask them to support your dreams, what truly matters is love, respect, and open communication. Now, it's your turn. What would you do in this situation? Would you prioritize your dreams, or would you sacrifice them for your family? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'd love to read your perspective. And before you go, make sure to like this video if it resonated with you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new episode drops. Share this video with someone who's facing a similar dilemma. It might just help them gain clarity. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today on Let's Talk About It with Kumaring Pam. Remember, whether it's a dream or family, the best choices come from the heart. Take care, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!